I'm seeing something that just doesn't make sense to me. Okay. I got it centered right about in the center of my screen, just to the right of that telephone pole. Do you see that light? It's the same bright morning star that I zoom in on with my binoculars that I've talked about. But what's strange about it, I just checked the radar and it looks like the whole state of Indiana is socked in with cloud cover and it's pouring down rain. But yet, right there, see if I can zoom up. See that light? I got it centered right in the center. How can that be? See how bright that is? Is it shining through the clouds? And if you listen closely, you can hear the rain hitting the roof. This is just unbelievable. And there will be great wonders in the skies, in the heavens. I don't know. Down the road. And there's the radar. I'm just west, which would be to the left of Indianapolis. Looking east would be to the right of Indianapolis. Look at all the cloud cover going just about over the whole state of Indiana. But yet, I see that bright morning star. Love y'all. Get ready. Down the road. Get right with God.